Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Microsoft Word to Claude AI. In this walkthrough, we'll open a new chat in Claude, access the connector options, search for Microsoft Word, and then begin the connection process. This is a useful setup if you want Claude to work more smoothly with your documents and help you access content from Word more efficiently. To begin, go to the Claude New Chat page. Once the page loads, make sure you're in a fresh chat window so you can clearly see the main text box where you normally type your prompts. Next, look for the plus sign inside or near the text box and click it. This button opens additional options beyond standard text entry, including ways to attach content or connect external tools. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the lower area of the chat interface, since placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or app version. After that, move your mouse over the option labeled Connector. You don't need to click right away at this stage. Simply hovering helps reveal the next layer of options available under Connectors. Then, hover your mouse over Add Connector. This expands the path towards setting up a new connection. The goal here is to reach the directory where Claude lists the services it can connect with. Once that appears, click Browse Connectors. This will open the connector library where you can search for supported apps and services. If the library takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. In the search field, type Word. This will filter the available connectors so you can quickly find the Microsoft Word option without scrolling through the full list. Be sure to enter the term clearly so the correct result appears. When you see Word in the results, click it, and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. At this point, Claude will guide you through the remaining prompts, which may include reviewing permissions and confirming access. Read each screen carefully so you understand what is being connected and what access is being granted. And that's it. Once the connection is complete, Microsoft Word should be linked and ready to use with Claude. If something doesn't work on the first try, it can help to refresh the page and repeat the process slowly, especially when navigating the connector menus. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you successfully connect Microsoft Word to Claude AI.